What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise News. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where we have the 2023 Nissan X-Trail launch debut. Now, the 4th generation Nissan X-Trail is inching closer to its Australian launch and full specifications for it have just been announced. Underpinning the new X-Trail is Nissan's CMF-C platform, while located under the hood is a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder petrol-rated engine at 135 kilowatts, 181 horsepower, 245 newton meters, 181 pound-feet of torque. Now, this is the same engine as the Mitsubishi Outlander and is coupled by a CVT transmission. Now, interestingly, this is the engine that was retired from the North America's Rogue in November 2021 and was replaced with a more powerful, efficient 1.5-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder. Now, 4 distinct variants of the X-Trail will be sold, and positioned at the base of the range is the ST. It comes standard with 17-inch wheels, LED headlights and taillights, roof rails, rear parking sensors, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, traffic sign recognition, and forward and reverse autonomous emergency braking with pedestrian and cyclist detection. Now, one step up in the range takes the buyers to the X-Trail STL. Now, this model benefits from its upgrades including 18-inch wheels, front parking sensors, Nissan's ProPilot semi-autonomous driving system, privacy glass, fog lights, sliding rear seats, synthetic leather upholstery, and heated front seats, and it also gets a 360-degree camera. Now, the top 2 models are the TI and TIL, and the first will leave the showroom floors with 19-inch wheels, a panoramic roof, digital rear view mirror, power tailgate, LED turn signals, leather accented upholstery, a 12.3-inch infotainment screen, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, a 10.8-inch head-up display, wireless phone charging, and a tri-zone climate control. Now, upgrades found on the TIL consist of front memory seats, a 10-speaker Bose audio system, quilted Napa leather upholstery, heated rear seats, heated steering wheel, hands-free power tailgate, remote engine start, and rear window sunshades. But with all that said, Nissan Australia has not yet announced pricing details for the 2023 X-Trail, but which trim fits you the best? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on the 2023 Nissan X-Trail. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down below. I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, and my Venmo, just in case you guys want to donate an extra $1 or $2 to the channel. I appreciate that extra love and support. Thank you so much, guys. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rise merch in case you guys want some long sleeve shirts, t-shirts, tank top stickers, slides, everything Ron's Rise is there. I'm also on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. So everything I'm posting, car memes, pictures, and videos, that doesn't always make it here to the channel. Now make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click that notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise News video. Peace.